Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to let you know that how you can create a Facebook collage in canva.com. As you know, Canva is a graphic related, or you can say as a very customized website that any person can use it very easily. So without wasting any your time, I am going to jump to my video. So first of all, we will open canva.com. As you can see, Canva's homepage is here. I have successfully signed in with my Gmail account. I am going to click on create a design. So you can see as I clicked on create a design, a search section is opened in front of me, and now I will search for collage. Here are different collage: photo collage, video collage, collage brochure, and collage poster, birthday photo collage, music photo collage, interior design photo collage, art photo collage, and collage resume, shape photo collage. So I am going to come up with photo collage, simple photo collage. Friends, you know, collage is a in a photo collage we combine more than two photos. Friends, there are many beautiful templates, stunning templates of photo collage you can see, and you can try this one. So let's, oh my god, how beautiful is this looking, man. Very stunning type of templates are here. You need nothing to do. What you will do, you will just add your photos and delete these photos from these collage. Let's suppose let's try some simple collage like this one. First of all, I am going to remove the old photos. Okay, let it be. Let's suppose I want to upload my photo frame here. So what will I do? I will come to uploads and I will upload from device the photos I like the most. I want to upload this photo. I will just come here and I will done. It is very simple. I want to add here, come here, add this photo, and done, man. I want to add, upload, and done. Add, upload. Let's suppose I want to add some black photo. Done. Another photo, add this one, and done. Also, friend, it is very easy way and it looks very beautiful. As you can see, you can also change its background as well. I want some light shade, man, looking stunning. Similarly on this one you can try same method. Sorry, uploads, it is very simple way to upload your photos in collage. Sorry, I will delete this one, and I made some mistake, that's why it was not deleting. So let's suppose I wanted to upload this and upload here. So friends, in this way you can upload photos as much as you want. You can also add your name, your collage name, or any text line, tagline here as well. So what I am going to do, I am going to write here, photos are the best memories. As you can see, I wanted to change its font style. I can do it very easily. I want to make change its color. I can do it. It's looking stunning now, man. It's looking very beautiful. You can change its color according to your own. You can change its background as well. So I think you got some idea how you can design your photos in Collage in Canva. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.